Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General birthday coupons because they are back. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Okay, so jumping right in here, as some of y'all may remember, back in September, I told you guys to check your accounts if your birthday was in the month of September because Dollar General had put out some happy birthday coupons. And this is what they gave us back in September. It was save $5 on your purchase of 501 or more at DG. Well, unfortunately, a lot of us didn't even get to use those $5 coupons because Dollar General decided to pull a fast one on us, and just as quick as they gave us those birthday coupons, they took them down. And I believe that mine was only on my account for less than 7 days, so it was a really fast one that DG decided to pull. So there we were in limbo again, like what is going to happen? Well, fast forward to November, and Dollar General has decided to try this happy birthday coupon thing again. So if your birthday is in the month of November, I need you guys to check your accounts and let me know what you received in the comment section down below. You can find your birthday coupons under the Just For You folder in your wallets. So on my account, I received a birthday coupon for save $5 when you spend $20 or more on beauty items at DG. Now, this isn't even close to as good as the coupon that they gave us back in September, where it was $5 off of a 501 purchase or more, where you could use that on anything in the store. But I guess it's better than nothing. And like I said, you guys let me know if you've received anything different on your accounts. With this coupon, there's a couple of things that I'm going to have to go into the store and try out. Now, unfortunately, I only have one account with this happy birthday coupon. So again, any kind of information that you guys can share in the comment section down below is greatly appreciated. Now, it does specify that this is for beauty items. So I'm not sure if this is going to include personal care items as well, like body wash or deodorants. And then the other thought that I had on this is, will this stack with a 5 off $25 coupon for Saturday? So I'm definitely going to have to go into Dollar General and do some trial and error transactions. And of course, as soon as I do that, I will give you guys an update. Now again, if your birthday is in this month, go ahead and open up your DG app and click on your wallet. That's going to open up and it's going to say My Deals up there at the top, and then you're going to see a folder that says Just For You. Now if you guys notice, right beside Just For You, it says 0. So you would think I have 0 coupons available to clip. That is not necessarily correct. Go ahead and click on it. You're going to have a little drop down menu, and then it will say 1 Just For You coupon available. Go ahead and click on Explore All, and that is where you should find your birthday coupon. Now, if you have not already added your birthday to your Dollar General account, here's how you do it. You go ahead and click on My Account right down there in the bottom right hand corner. Then the full menu will open up and you're going to click on My Info. Then another menu will open up and you're going to click on About Me. And that's where you're going to add in your birthday. And this little message should be on your screen as well. So it says birthday offers are distributed on the first day of your birthday month and expire on the last day of your birthday month. If you add your birthday to your profile in the middle of your birthday month, your offer will still only be valid until the last day of your birthday month. So I want everybody to go ahead and double check your Dollar General accounts today and make sure that you have your birthday set up on your account. That way you can get these birthday perks whenever they roll around. Now, again, if anybody has any additional information or if you received something different other than a 5 off 20 beauty coupon, please let me know down in the comment section below. Or if you would like to take a screenshot of your coupon, you can send it to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Or you can send me a message on Instagram, and my handle over there is @crazycoupons, and I will leave all of that information in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please let me know what you think about this new birthday coupon in the comment section down below. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button that's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.